So when I think of Sati, two words come to my mind: environment and comfort. So over the past several years now, I've been trying to do my bit to contribute towards a sustainable environment. So for example, about 5 to 6 years back, I started taking cloth bags whenever I went shopping, and I started segregating waste at home. But there was still one way in which I felt that I was generating a lot of plastic waste every month, and that was during the 4 to 5 days of my period. Because at the time I was using commercially available pads, and a lot of plastic goes into making them, and not only that, after they are used, they are just lying there for like probably around 1,000 years. That's when it takes for them to degrade. So all these thoughts were kind of nagging. They were nagging thoughts in my head. So about a year and a half back, I decided that I was going to take another conscious effort to try and look for eco-friendly alternatives. So that's when I looked it up, and that's how I discovered Sati. So I have to say, honestly, initially I was a little skeptical, because since I was 13 till about a year and a half back, you've been using something that is so personal to you, and you've gotten used to that. So is this something that I can is this something that I'll be comfortable with when I switch and use a completely different type of pad? But I still decided to go for it, and about a year back, I placed my first order. And I have to say that there were two amazing things that I discovered with Sati pads. So specifically, I've been using their banana fiber pads, and like even to this day, I've completely forgotten that the other type of pads exist. I've only been ordering from Sati now for a year. So with the commercial pads, oftentimes I would get some itching, sometimes allergies, and things like that, which I just learned to deal with. But then when I started using Sati pads, I realized that all that completely vanished. Now, like I said, I've been using their pads for a year, and I've not had any rash, allergies, nothing that I used to sometimes get with commercial pads. And another important thing for me was, okay, is this going to absorb as well as what I'm used to? So on that front also, I found that their banana fiber pads absorb really well, and they come in different sizes as well, so that's really convenient. So to sum it all up, I've been really happy with Sati pads, and they've become an integral part of me and my period now. And I would absolutely recommend their pads to anybody who's looking for both an eco-friendly and a comfortable option.